Hey, what is up everybody? Josh Quinones here with Everything Android, and today we are going to take a quick look at the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, the new update, the Oreo update that just started rolling out finally for the Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus. So we're gonna go over that real quick and see what some of the changes are. So first, we'll go ahead and go down to settings, go to About Phone, software information. As you can see, it is running Samsung Experience 9.0, Android version 8.0.0. So I'm getting all these notifications right now because I just connected to Wi-Fi. So yeah, let's go here so you guys can see that it is running Android Oreo. And there we are. We get this little octopus looking thing. But anyways, yeah, running Android Oreo 8.0.0. Now, one of the big changes, not a big changes, but one of the noticeable changes that I did notice are within the keyboard. So as you can see here, most of the keyboard is the same, but the voice to text actually moved up here rather than being down here anymore. And we also got some new emojis. A lot of them had kind of changed a little bit, so they look a little bit different. And then also we get GIFs now that we can use. They got different categories, happy, fun, thumbs up. You guys get the picture. So that's pretty cool that they added GIFs as well. Another big change that I did see is actually on the notification bar. So if we pull down our notifications, you see I have tons of notifications up here. So if you notice, when I'm pulling down the notification bar, look at the little animation. You can see, you can still see them right there, but as I continue pulling down, they have this cool little animation where they pop up, pop up, pop up, pop up, pop up. You see that? And they go back in that little strip as I go back up. So yeah, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. That's one other change. And another change is multitasking. Okay, so as you can see right here, I am here in the maps, and say I press home. It's gonna give me a little screen down here. I can pretty much move it around where I want. If I click the top, it'll make it big once again. Go home, it goes down to a little square. I can basically, like I said, put what I want. I can exit out of it by just pressing that little X. So that's pretty cool that they added a different type of multitasking that we can now use. Another change is with the icons. If you tap and hold the icons, let's go to YouTube. If I tap and hold it, it gives me little shortcuts right here that I can either search right off the bat, subscriptions, if I want to go to trending. So that's another cool little thing you can do with the icons, a little change that they got there. Another change is with the edge lighting. Let's go down and over to edge lighting. I got it turned on right now. So if I press and hold this, let's see, there we go. It goes into the edge lighting. So we will go to edge lighting style. You got different effects you can choose from. I don't know if you can notice around, let's see, let me change the width, put it nice and wide. You can change different color, whatever color you want. We'll go, I don't know if you guys can see this with the lighting of the camera right now. I apologize for that. But you can change different effects. They got a glitter effect, as you can see, a glow effect, multicolor, and just your basic effect. So that's cool. They got different effects that you can now choose from within the edge lighting when somebody's calling you or you get a notification. So as of right now, those are some of the changes that I noticed with the new update. Performance as well. There is no lagging on the device at all that I've noticed. So you can see, moving quick and snappy. So yeah, phone still runs well. So far, I mean, still runs pretty smooth. Performance is great. But you guys let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. If you do have the Galaxy S8 or S8 Plus, and if you have gotten your new update, let me know what you guys think about it. If there's anything that I've missed, I haven't went into full in-depth with this new update yet, so I still got to go through it a little bit more, see if there's anything else new that I can find with it. But as for now, that is it. Oh yeah, there is one more thing, the camera. Let's go into the camera here. It's a little bit different. They got it set up just a little bit different. You still get the effects swiping left and right. You got other effects over here. It's not too different from before. They just kind of changed the look of it a little bit. But yeah, anyways, that is it for now. You guys, let me know what you think so far about this update. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Do you not like it? It takes a little bit of getting used to. But anyways, guys, let me know your thoughts down below. Thank you so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones with Everything Android. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not a subscriber already, and turn on post notifications to keep up with more videos to come. You guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.